Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Battlefield 6 stuck on loading screen. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go on search and write storage settings. Then you need to go to and scroll down until you see advanced storage settings. Then select storage spaces. And then if you have a storage pool here, what you need to do here, delete it and then look if the game is stuck on loading screen or not. Another thing that can be you don't have a media feature pack. So what you need to do here, you need to go on search and look for optional features. Then here you need to look for view features. And then here you need to look for media feature pack. And if there is here for you, you just need to press add it to your computer. Another thing that you need to do here, you need to go to Battlefield 6, go to properties, go to installed files and browse. Then you need to find BF6 exe file, right click on it, go show more options, properties, and then here, I believe it's not this, it's this. Show more options, properties, compatibility, make sure disable full screen optimization here. And when you launch the game, you should get an error now. Currently, I'm not getting this, but when you press exe file, you're getting an error. Then you just need to go and write on search view network virus and threat protection. Virus and threat protection. Then you need to go to a virus and threat protection settings. Then you need to turn off real-time protection here. Then go back. Then you need to go to protection history here. And then you should see a message here that says threat quarantine, right? And then here will be, when you expand this option, will be action here, a button, press on action and then press restore, okay? And then all you need to do here is to, you can close this, then press on exe file and the game should work. So that's pretty much it. If I helped you out, please press like.